Alright, so guys, I just picked this car up the other day. We're gonna be replacing some minor things on it, like the door handle. That's what we'll be covering for today. It's pretty easy fix. All we gotta do is unscrew this bolt right here, so you can see it right there. Okay, there's another bolt right here too. And then we'll be unclipping this. Okay, then this one right here. Okay. Now we'll be unscrewing the bolts for this. Okay. Now we're going to be cracking it open from the bottom. There you go. Oh. There you go. Lift it up. There you go. Unhook the speakers. There we have it. Got the door panel off. Now, gotta unscrew the door handle from over here. So, there's this little green clip that we just gotta clip off where the door lock is. There we go. It's unclipped. And now we'll be taking the bolts off with a 10mm. It's kind of hard doing all this stuff with one hand and recording at the same time. You can see it right there. Okay. And then one more. There we go. Take that off. guys, I got the door handle off. I have to stop recording because it's hard to take it off with one hand. But there you go. Now we're gonna be replacing the lock on it on the other door handle. That's right here. Okay, so I got that out. There's a safety pin that goes right here. All you do is get like a little plier and pull it out, and this lock will come out for the key. Now we'll be putting it back in place. Like that. And then, let me see. Then that little lock right here, little pin goes in here. Alright, so I got the lock in there. Now we're going to be reversing it. The door handle's on and the little cylinder lock is on too. I'm just going to be tightening the bolts now. And right here. So we got all that good. We'll be putting this back together. Right there. So I got the door panel on. Time to connect everything up. So we got this piece on. All the controls for the window. Okay. That's good. Lock. Unlock. There you go, guys. All done. It's on here. Guys, next week, I just ordered a window regulator and the passenger side window doesn't roll down, so I'll be replacing that next week. Just stay posted and we'll see you guys.